Hello. Do you already know, or have you heard of licorice? If not, today you will know what it is and what its benefits are. What is licorice root? Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra, is a perennial plant native to regions of Asia and southern Europe, renowned for its sweet flavor and extensive medicinal properties. Used for millennia in traditional Chinese, Indian, and Egyptian medicine, this root has gained a historical reputation as a powerful natural remedy for various ailments. Its characteristic sweet and slightly bitter taste is due to the presence of a compound called glycyrrhizin, which is 30 to 50 times sweeter than sugar. In addition to being used in candies and food products, licorice root is widely recognized for its therapeutic properties, used in the form of tea, extracts, capsules, and essential oils. Chemical composition and medicinal properties. Licorice root contains over 300 biologically active compounds, with glycyrrhizin and flavonoids being the most studied. These compounds give the plant a wide range of medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and expectorant effects. This makes licorice an excellent choice for treating respiratory problems, such as coughs and bronchitis, as it helps to relieve mucus and ease breathing. Moreover, glycyrrhizin, the main active component, has also shown immunomodulatory properties, helping to strengthen the immune system and fight infections. In traditional medicine, licorice root was used to treat gastric ulcers and stomach discomfort due to its anti-inflammatory capabilities and its ability to protect the gastric mucosa. History and traditional uses. The history of licorice root use dates back over 4,000 years. In ancient Egypt, it was used as an ingredient in a medicinal drink and was even found in the tomb of Tutankhamun. In ancient Greece and Rome, it was widely used to treat respiratory issues, while in Ayurvedic Indian medicine and traditional Chinese medicine, it was employed to balance the body and treat inflammatory diseases. Contemporary applications. Today, licorice root remains a powerful ally in the field of herbal medicine. Its soothing properties for the digestive system are used to relieve issues like gastritis, acid reflux, and heartburn. Licorice is also effective in fighting viral infections, such as colds, flu, and herpes, due to its antiviral and antibacterial properties. The use of licorice in skincare products has also become popular, especially because of its anti-inflammatory action, which can treat skin irritations like eczema and acne. Contraindications and precautions. Despite the numerous benefits, prolonged or excessive use of licorice root can cause side effects, particularly due to glycyrrhizin, which can raise blood pressure and cause fluid retention. Therefore, people with hypertension, kidney, or heart problems are advised to use the plant cautiously or under medical supervision. There is also a deglycyrrhizinated version of licorice root DGL, which retains its benefits without the risk of increasing blood pressure. Licorice root is far more than just an ingredient for candies and sweets. Its medicinal properties are vast and comprehensive, making it an important ally for respiratory, digestive, and immune health. However, like any potent substance, its use should be moderate and, in some cases, supervised. For those seeking natural alternatives to care for their body and mind, licorice offers a rich option with centuries of proven efficacy, health benefits, and scientific studies proving its beneficial effects. Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra, has been widely used throughout history due to its remarkable health benefits. Modern science has investigated its active compounds, such as glycyrrhizin and flavonoids, validating many of its therapeutic effects. Below is a detailed overview of the main benefits of licorice root and the scientific studies that support its beneficial effects. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the primary benefits of licorice root is its potent anti-inflammatory action, primarily derived from glycyrrhizin. This compound helps reduce inflammation by suppressing the production of inflammatory molecules like prostaglandins and cytokines. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology revealed that glycyrrhizin is effective in reducing inflammation in various conditions, including autoimmune diseases and chronic inflammation. Additionally, licorice's anti-inflammatory action is particularly useful in treating respiratory issues such as asthma and bronchitis, where airway inflammation plays a central role. Several clinical studies suggest that licorice can alleviate chronic bronchitis symptoms by acting as an expectorant and helping to clear the airways. 2. Immune system strengthening. Licorice root also has immunomodulatory effects, helping to balance the immune system's response. This means it can both stimulate and regulate the body's defenses, depending on the need. A study published in Phytotherapy Research showed that Glycyrrhiza enhances the immune response by increasing the production of interferons, proteins that play a vital role in defending against viruses. This effect makes licorice root an effective ally in combating viral infections such as colds, flu, and even herpes. Research conducted by the Journal of Clinical Investigation demonstrated that licorice extract inhibits the replication of the herpes simplex virus, speeding up recovery and preventing recurrences. 3. Digestive benefits and stomach protection. Another widely recognized benefit of licorice is its ability to protect the digestive system, especially the stomach and esophagus. Glycyrrhiza and other compounds in the plant have a protective effect on the gastric mucosa, helping to treat gastric ulcers and alleviate symptoms of gastritis and acid reflux. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that using deglycyrrhizated licorice, DGL, was effective in healing peptic ulcers. DGL works by increasing the production of mucus in the stomach, forming a protective barrier against stomach acid and allowing damaged tissues to heal faster. 4. Expectorant effect and respiratory benefits. Licorice is widely used to treat coughs, colds, and other respiratory conditions due to its expectorant properties. The root helps alleviate excessive mucus production in the lungs, making breathing easier and providing relief from symptoms associated with bronchitis, asthma, and respiratory infections. Research published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine confirmed that licorice helps to thin thick mucus, making it easier to expel, and has a soothing effect on irritated airways. This combination of effects makes licorice an effective natural treatment for respiratory problems. 5. Antiviral and antibacterial properties. Another significant benefit of licorice root is its antiviral action. Glycyrrhiza has been shown to be effective against a range of viruses, including the flu virus, herpes virus, and even HIV in preliminary studies. A study published in Antiviral Research demonstrated that Glycyrrhiza inhibits the replication of the flu virus, helping to reduce the severity of symptoms and recovery time. In addition to its antiviral action, licorice also has antibacterial properties, combating bacteria responsible for oral infections like cavities and periodontal diseases. A study conducted by the Journal of Natural Products showed that licorice root extracts have a bactericidal effect against Streptococcus mutans, one of the main bacteria causing cavities. 6. Antioxidant action. The antioxidants present in licorice, especially flavonoids, help combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells and are associated with premature aging and the development of chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. Studies show that consuming licorice can help protect the body against oxidative stress. Research published in Food and Chemical Toxicology demonstrated that the flavonoids in licorice have a potent capacity to neutralize free radicals, protecting the body's cells from oxidative damage. Licorice root is one of the most versatile and powerful medicinal plants, with a wide range of health benefits. From its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties to its immunomodulatory, antiviral, and antioxidant actions, modern science has confirmed much of what ancient traditions already knew about its healing powers. While its effects are largely beneficial, it's important to remember that prolonged use or high doses can present risks, especially for people with high blood pressure or heart problems. Applications and consumption methods. Simple and effective recipes to prepare licorice root tea at home. Licorice root, in addition to its many health benefits, is highly versatile in terms of consumption. Its therapeutic properties can be utilized in various preparations, such as teas, extracts, capsules, and even powders, with tea being one of the most popular and effective ways to harness the plant's benefits. Below, we'll discuss the main applications of licorice root and simple recipes to prepare a medicinal tea at home. Main applications of licorice root. Relief for respiratory problems. Licorice root is widely used to treat respiratory issues such as bronchitis, asthma, coughs, and colds. Its expectorant action helps clear excess mucus from the airways, providing relief and making breathing easier. Warm licorice tea is particularly effective as it relaxes the airways and combats inflammation. Improved digestion and treatment of ulcers. Licorice's ability to protect the stomach lining and reduce acidity is often used in treating gastritis, acid reflux, and gastric ulcers. Regular consumption of deglycyrrhizated licorice, DGL, tea can promote healing of the stomach lining and alleviate symptoms of indigestion and heartburn. Stress and anxiety relief. Licorice root also has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body cope with stress by balancing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Drinking licorice tea can have a calming effect, making it an excellent option for relaxing after a stressful day. Anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Glycyrrhiza, one of the main compounds in licorice, has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Thus, licorice tea is a natural choice to help treat mild viral infections, such as colds, flu, and cold sores. Skin care. Licorice has increasingly been used in treating skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Licorice tea, when applied topically as a compress, helps reduce inflammation and speeds up skin recovery. Simple and effective licorice tea recipes. 1. Simple licorice root tea. This is the most basic and straightforward way to enjoy the benefits of licorice root. Simple tea is ideal for those seeking relief from digestive and respiratory issues. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of dried or crushed licorice root. 500 milliliters, 2 cups of water. Preparation. Boil the water in a pan or kettle. Add the licorice root to the boiling water. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and let it cool slightly before drinking. Tip. This tea can be consumed up to twice a day, especially for coughs, colds, or digestive problems. 2. Licorice tea with ginger and honey. This version combines licorice's anti-inflammatory power with ginger's digestive and immune-boosting properties, along with the soothing and antibacterial effects of honey. It's excellent for treating colds and calming the throat. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of dried or crushed licorice root. 1 piece of fresh ginger, about 2 centimeters, or 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. 500 milliliters, 2 cups of water. Preparation. Boil the water and add the licorice root and ginger. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and add the honey if desired, stirring until dissolved. Drink while still warm, ideally after meals to aid digestion and relieve cold symptoms. 3. Licorice tea with mint and lemon. This variation is refreshing and offers a perfect blend of flavors. Mint adds its digestive and calming properties, while lemon provides an extra dose of vitamin C and antioxidants. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of dried licorice root. 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried mint leaves. Juice of half a lemon. 500 milliliters, 2 cups of water. Preparation. Boil the water and add the licorice root. Let the mixture simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Add the mint leaves and let steep for 2 more minutes. Strain the tea and add the lemon juice. Drink hot or cold, depending on your preference. 4. Licorice tea for gargling, throat relief. This concentrated tea is ideal for use as a gargle, especially in cases of sore throats and mouth inflammation. Licorice has a soothing effect and helps reduce irritation. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons of dried licorice root. 500 milliliters, 2 cups of water. Preparation. Boil the water and add the licorice root. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes to create a more concentrated tea. Let it cool slightly and gargle while the tea is still warm, repeating 3 times a day. Precautions for consuming licorice. While licorice offers many health benefits, it's important to consume this plant in moderation, especially if you plan to drink the tea regularly. Excessive consumption may cause increased blood pressure and fluid retention due to glycyrrhiza, the main active compound. If you have high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney problems, or are pregnant, it's advisable to consult a doctor before using licorice regularly. If necessary, Opt for deglycyrrhizated licorice (DGL), which retains licorice's benefits without the adverse effects on blood pressure. When consumed in moderation and in proper proportions, licorice can be a valuable addition to your daily natural care routine, offering an effective and natural solution for treating respiratory, digestive, and stress-related problems. Thank you for watching this video about the benefits of food. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a message, and see you next time.